Shaking hands continues. I was at a hospital the other night where I think there were actually a few coronavirus patients, and I shook hands with everybody. You'll be pleased to know, and I continue to shake hands. And I think it's very important that we, people obviously can make up their own minds. I think that Matt has said that people must make up their own minds, but I think the scientific evidence is, well, I'll hand over to the expert. The right time. We are not, repeat, not closing schools now. The scientific advice is that this could do more harm than good at this time, but of course...
Look, Easter's a very special day for me. And I see it sort of in that timeline that I'm thinking about. And I say, wouldn't it be great to have all of the churches full? You know, the churches...
No meu caso particular, pelo meu histórico de atleta, caso fosse contaminado pelo vírus, não precisaria me preocupar. Nada sentiria ou seria, quando muito, acometido de uma gripezinha ou resfriadinho.
40 dias depois, parece que está começando a ir embora a questão do vírus.
That's that too. Sounds interesting. Right, and then I see the disinfectant where it knocks it out in a minute, 1 minute. And is there a way we can do something like that? By injection inside or almost a cleaning, as you see it gets on the lungs and it...
Mas e daí? Lamento, quer que faça o quê? Eu sou Messias, mas não faço milagre.
And so I can confirm today that for the first time we are past the peak of this disease. We're past the peak and we're on the downward slope.
We're going to lose anywhere from 75, 80 to 100,000 people. That's a horrible thing. We shouldn't lose one person over. This should have been stopped in China. It should have been stopped.
Well, I feel about vaccines like I feel about tests. This is going to go away without a vaccine. It's going to go away, and we're not going to see it again, hopefully, after a period of time. We may have some flare-ups. And
these can even further under control by continuing to apply good, solid British common sense. It's worked throughout phase 1. I've no doubt that it's going to work in the second phase of the disease as well, of the fight against the disease as well.
Coronavírus, mas que a transmissão por parte de assintomáticos é praticamente zero. Isso pode sinalizar a uma abertura mais rápida do comércio e a extinção daquelas medidas restritivas adotadas